It's been a few years since the passing of Kobe Bryant and their daughter Gianna. For Vanessa Bryant, Kobe's loving wife, and their entire family, the past few years have been an unimaginable journey of grief, pain, and resilience. But life has to go on. Vanessa and the kids have no choice but to put the past behind them and live for themselves. It's a no-brainer that after Kobe's death, Vanessa's financial portfolio skyrocketed from $75 million to a whopping $600 million. So today, we're going to find out how Vanessa has been spending all those billions since the passing of Kobe Bryant. Vanessa Bryant is a philanthropist and businesswoman, best known as the wife of the late NBA legend, Kobe Bryant. Born Vanessa Urbieta Cornejo on May 5, 1982 in Los Angeles, California, she grew up in a challenging environment, with her parents divorcing when she was just a baby. Vanessa's early life was marked by hardship, with her family living in her maternal aunt's spare room until her mother remarried in 1990. She attended Marina High School in Huntington Beach, where she was an active student and even worked as a backup dancer and extra in music videos. Vanessa's life took a dramatic turn when she met Kobe Bryant on the set of a music video in November 1999. The couple got engaged just 6 months later and married 2 years later on April 18, 2001, at a private ceremony in Dana Point, California. The couple were together when Kobe had nothing and was just finding his feet in the basketball industry. But as he rose to fame, everything got better for both Kobe and Vanessa. The couple raised 4 children: Natalia, Gianna, Bianca, and Capri, making sure they were properly shielded from public scrutiny and gossip. The couple did everything to stay together despite facing numerous challenges, including the pressure of fame and occasional controversies, especially the 2011 divorce controversy, where Vanessa allegedly filed for a divorce. But somehow the couple was able to work around it in 2013 and have been together ever since until the tragic passing of Kobe in 2020. The event surrounding the passing of Kobe Bryant was a very sad one. Not only did Vanessa lose her darling husband, she also lost her daughter Gianna to the ghastly accident. The father and daughter were with 7 other people when the helicopter crashed in Calabasas, California. Kobe, during his lifetime, was a man who wanted the best for his family, owning a vast amount of property and making sure his family and those he cared about were set for life. This was his journey. But now that he's no more, Vanessa has no choice but to continue from where he stopped, to take care of all the properties like Kobe would do. Let's take a quick look at some of Kobe's properties that are now in Vanessa's care. Let's start with Kobe's private helicopters. He's known to be an efficient and time-saving person, so the purchase of his Airbus S355 and his Sikorsky S-76 cost about $15 million. Then we have Kobe Bryant's magnificent mansion, located in Newport Beach, Orange County, California. Kobe shared this estate with his wife Vanessa and their daughters. The space boasts an impressive 15,000 square feet of living space, offering breathtaking views of the Pacific Ocean, Newport Bay, and the surrounding landscape. This mansion cost $21.3 million. Kobe Bryant's former home in Irvine, California is a 2,400 square foot property located in the prestigious guard-gated community of the Summit at Turtle Ridge. Kobe bought this house for $1.3 million, and the details of the property will leave you speechless. The house features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and boasts a beautifully designed gourmet kitchen with high-end appliances and a spacious breakfast nook. The master suite is a serene retreat, complete with a luxurious bathroom, expanded shower, and bathtub. The backyard is an oasis, featuring a lush garden, jacuzzi, and a built-in BBQ. Vanessa took a bold step and sold this property for $2 million after the passing of her husband. Now, let's talk about the creme de la creme property of the Bryants. It's their 11,000-foot mansion located in Lockman Lane in Pacific Palisades. This building is a blend of antique features and modern bespoke architecture. The living room screams luxury and the bedrooms, nothing but pure sophistication. The property has 6 bedrooms, a gourmet kitchen, a gym, a pool, and a sports bar. Kobe purchased this property for $2.5 million. Another property that deserves mention is their Mediterranean-style estate on the Newport coast, a stunning property that showcases his exquisite taste in luxury real estate. Located in a gated community, this estate boasts breathtaking city and ocean views, perfect for relaxing and entertaining. The property features a spacious 8,000-square-foot home with a Mediterranean-style design, a private theater, a gourmet kitchen, and ample living spaces perfect for family gatherings and social events. Kobe originally listed the property for $8.599 million in 2013, but later reduced the price to $6.1 million. After taking charge of the home and making sure her daughters were taken care of, she also had to continue the legacy of the Black Mamba, so she added leading Kobe's charity organization to her schedule. The Mamba and Mamba Sports Foundation was created to honor the passing of both Kobe and Gianna. The foundation aims to provide opportunities for athletes. Kobe Bryant was a dedicated philanthropist, and his charity work had a significant impact on various communities. So it was only right that Vanessa took charge of this project. Kobe during his lifetime was a man who had a great love for luxury cars. His garage housed different types of cars, from the regular ones to the most sophisticated cars. Kobe had a Jeep Wrangler which was valued at about $50,000. Another one is his Cadillac Escalade with a price tag of about $90,000. These are more like his regular cars. Let's get into his big man's purchase. We have the $110,000 Mercedes-Benz luxury sedan. We also have his 1963 Chevy Impala. This classic car was auctioned off after Kobe's death for a sum of $200,000. Another of his luxurious purchases is the Bentley Continental GT. This beauty cost about $230,000. Kobe also owned this beautiful Ferrari California, which beat him back $250,000. Well, as a lover of Ferraris, we've got two more Ferraris in his collection. That's the 458 Spider and the 488 GTB, valued at $260,000 and $300,000 respectively. The crown luxury of the collection is his Lamborghini Murcielago, a high-performance sports car. The Murcielago features a 6.2-liter V12 engine producing 572 horsepower, 427 kilowatts, in the base model, and can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour, 0 to 97 kilometers per hour, in just 3 seconds, 3.3 seconds, with a top speed of 205 miles per hour, 330 kilometers per hour. Now that Kobe is gone, all these luxury cars are now in the care of Vanessa. She's auctioned off a few and has retained the others to keep Kobe's legacy alive. Fortunately, Kobe's business ventures have done nothing but thrive under Vanessa's guidance. We have his investment firm Bryant Style. We also have the Body Armor brand, a sports drink company that grew from a measly $6 million to a whopping $400 million in no time. Let's not forget the Granity Studios. This company was behind various sports stories, with one of their short films bagging an Oscar. These brands have continued to grow under Vanessa's leadership, and we're expecting more from the Black Mamba's wife. Kobe was one of the most sought-after players in the basketball community. His amazing skills on and off the court earned him a top-paying contract with the Lakers, bringing in $25 million annually. Doing the maths means he made nothing less than $300 million through his career. This bagged him major brand partnerships with brands like Nike, Sprite, McDonald's, and the Turkish airline, with his endorsement like bringing in $10 million annually. And it doesn't end here. According to Forbes, even after Kobe's passing, Vanessa still gets at least $20 million annually from these brands. We can say Kobe is one of the highest-earning deceased players, but thanks to Vanessa, who has made it her life dream to continue Kobe's legacy.